Kunesigaba sesibili Sesixwayiso Ngesimo Sezulu esibi nakwezinye izingxenye zase-Gauteng, Limpopo, Mpumalanga, Free State nakwaZulu Natal. Sixoxisane nesangoma sezulu sakwa-South African Weather Services uWayne Fenter ochaze kabanzi ngalesigaba.
So we do have a yellow level 2 warning. It's one of the lowest type of warnings, so it's just an indication that there is some minor impacts can be expected. So the typical minor impacts are associated with some rainfall or disruptive rainfall in a specific area. And we do have that warning out for Gauteng for today. That's continuing into this evening, as well as Mpumalanga, the southern parts of Limpopo, and then also over the adjacent interior of KZN. And then we also have a yellow level 4 warning out for disruptive rainfall along the KZN coast for the remainder of this evening. And that's mainly for the possibility of some significant impacts that's likely. And that's mainly because we've been seeing some good amounts of rainfall in that area, and it's been raining throughout the day. And there is a possibility of some flooding, especially along the coastal areas of KZN during the course of the rest of today and even into tonight.